Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 12D, that is solve each of the following equations. So the first question number 1, part 1, the question is 7x plus 10 is equal to 59. So we have to find the value of x here. So what we will do, there is two part. First part, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Left hand side and this side is called right hand side. So what we will do first we will write or 7x is equal to we will write 59. Now when we will shift this plus 10 from left hand side to right hand side, the sign will change. So what sign is here? Here is plus sign. So now we have to write here minus 10. The sign will change. Next line, 7x is equal to, if you subtract 59 minus 10, we will get 49. Now 7x means here, 7x means 7 into x, 7 into x, 7x. So if we will write x is equal to, what we will write? 49 into is here. So now we have to divide into means when it will go to that side, the sign will come to division. So 49 divided by 7. So if you cut this one, 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. So we got the value of x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. So I will repeat once again. See, the equation is 7x plus 10 is equal to 59. Now we have to find the value of x. So this portion, this part is called left hand side, and after that is equal to sign is right hand side. This is equal to this, but we are not knowing the value of x. So what is the value of x? That this equation is equal to this. So what we will do? We will write 7x is equal to, when any number from left hand side, if we shift to right hand side, what will happen? The sign will change. If there is plus 10, it will change into minus 10. If there is minus 10, it will come this side plus 10. The sign will change. So we will write here 7x is equal to 59 plus 10 will go that side, right hand side. So what will happen? That plus will change into minus. So 59 minus 10, how much we got? 49. So we got 7x is equal to 49. So here is into sign, 7 into x is here, 7 into x. So next line, when we will write x is equal to 49, this into will come down divided by 7. 49 divided by 7. When we will simplify, 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. So we got the value of x is equal to 7. The same way we will do one more question, that is part 4. Question number 1, part 4. Part 4 is 5a minus 10 is equal to minus 25. 5a minus 10 is equal to minus 25. Now again left hand side we got 5a minus 10 is equal to, right hand side we got minus 25. So this is equal to this, but we are not knowing the value of a. So we have to find out the value of a. So what we will do? Again we will write 5a is equal to, now minus 25 is already here, so we will write minus 25. Now I told you that minus 10, when we will shift from left hand side to right hand side, what will happen? The sign will change. So minus 10, what do you have to write here? Plus 10. Now we will calculate 5a is equal to minus 25 plus 10. Minus 25 plus 10. When you will add this, one is negative number, one is positive. So we have to subtract 5, 2 minus 1, 1. What sign will come? negative minus 15. So what we got? Minus 25 plus 10, we got minus 15. Again, last time I told you that 5a means 5 into a. So when we will write a is equal to, we have to write minus 15 upon this 5 will come down. So when we simplify, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, minus sign is there. So we got the value of a is equal to minus 3. What do we got? A is equal to minus 3. Once again, we got the equation 5a minus 10 is equal to minus 25. So left hand side we got 5a minus 10, right hand side minus 25. So we have to find the value of a. So next line we will write 5a is equal to minus 25. When this minus 10 will move to right hand side, it will be plus 10. So minus 25 plus 10. How much we got? Minus 15. So 5a is equal to minus 15. Now I told you 5a means 5 into a. So when we will write a is equal to minus 15, this 5 will come down. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 5, 15. So what we got the value of a is equal to minus 3. In the same way, now we will do one more question, that is question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 1 part 6. Question number 1 part 6, that is p upon 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. So your question is p upon 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. What we will do here, next line we will write p upon 3 is equal to 10 is already this side, so we will write 10. Now from left hand side plus 4, when we will shift to right hand side, what will happen? Again the sign will change. So plus 4, now we have to write minus 4. So we got p by 3 is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6 upon, nothing is there means what is there? There is 1. Okay, so we got p by 3 is equal to 6 by 1. In this case, what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. So what is there? 1 into 1, 1p means we can write p is equal to 3 6 is 18. So we got the value of p is equal to 18. Just see once again, your question is p upon 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. So what we did next line, p upon 3 is equal to 10. When we will shift plus 4 into the right hand side, the sign will change. So plus 4 will change into minus 4. P by 3 is equal to 10 minus 4, we got 6. 6 means 6 upon 1. P by 3 is equal to 6 by 1. So what we will do here, we will do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means we will multiply p1, 1p. If you write 1 also, that is also right. If you don't write, no problem. And 3 6 is 18. So what we got the value of p? P is equal to 18. P is equal to 18. Now one more question we will solve, that is part 8. Part 8, and the question is 2x upon 5 equal to 8. 2x upon 5 is equal to 8. We can write this one, 2x upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 1. 8 upon 1. Again, here what we will do? We will do the cross multiplication. 2x into 1. So 2 1s are 2x. We got 2x into 1 is equal to 2x. Is equal to 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. Now again we have to find the value of x. What we will do, x is equal to, I told you last time, 2x means 2 into x. So here we will write 40 upon 2. Now when we will simplify, 2 1 is 2, 2 20 is 40, 2 20 is 40. So we got the value of x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Just see once again, 1 part 8, question is 2x upon 5 is equal to 8. So 2x upon 5 is equal to 8, nothing is there, means there is 1. So 8 upon 1, again same way we will, what we will do, we will do the cross multiplication. So 2x into 1, 2 1 is 2, x will come here. Now 5 8 is 40, 2x is equal to 40. So now we will find the value of x. So what we will do, x is equal to 40 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 20 is 40. So what we got the value of x, x is equal to 20. So this is a very small exercise, only 10 questions are there. So now I will give you the homework. Homework is question number 1, question number 1 part 3, 1 part 3, and one more you will do, that is question number 7, 1 part 7. This 2 is your homework, and send it to my personal chat number, okay? And from next class we will start mensuration. So thank you class.